Project management is the process of leading the work of a team to achieve goals and to meet success criteria at a specified time. The primary challenge of a project management plan is to achieve all of the project goals within the given constraints. The definition is simple, yet the proper application of project management processes are complex. The key is to utilize all of the available tools to the fullest potential to meet the project goals. The project management plan is a document that describes how the project will be executed, monitored, and controlled. Simply put, the key elements are what has to be done, why it must be done, who will do the work, when will it be done, what resources will be required, and what criteria must be met for the project to be accepted. A proper plan must balance the needs of the stakeholders, the customers, and quality requirements against the constraints of resources and risks. The key constraints that affect quality are cost, which includes budgeting, financing, and funding; time, which talks about the timely completion of the project; and scope, to ensure that the work that is done is required and only the work that's required is done. The project management process groups are inputs and outputs that drive deliverables from 47 different project management processes. They are initiating, planning, executing, monitoring and controlling, and closing. As you can see, it's a continuous loop, starting with initiating and then formally closing a project with closing. All 5 steps are part of the processes to complete project management. Project scope is the work to be performed to deliver a product, service, or result with the specified features and functions. A project scope statement describes the project scope, major deliverables, assumptions, and constraints. Key points include the project scope definition, the acceptance criteria, and what the deliverable or deliverables are. The project charter is a document issued by the project sponsor that formally authorizes the project and provides the project manager with the authority to apply organizational resources to project activities. The key inputs of the project management charter are the business need, the project scope definition, and the strategic plan. A project stakeholder is an individual, group, or organization who may be affected by, or perceive itself to be affected by a decision, activity, or outcome of the project. The key to a proper project stakeholder management plan are stakeholder identification, stakeholder management, stakeholder engagement, and a stakeholder register, which gives you all the information of all your stakeholders and allows you to maintain and monitor them and give them the proper attention and meet their needs. Time management are processes required to manage the timely completion of the project. There are many methods of time management, but two common ones or methods are the critical path method and a critical chain method. Each of the methods of these common methods have different advantages and disadvantages and gives you different views of the project. Good luck.